Okay, so we got group 1 is addition and subtraction. You always do those ones first. And then group 2, we got multiplication and division. Okay, those are best friends. They're buddies. Okay, so addition and subtraction always go together. Multiplication and division always go together. Okay, they say like opposites attract. Okay, they're opposites and they always stick together. So if we look at number 1, we got negative 16 plus a equals negative 22. On all of these, we're trying to get the variable by itself. And the way that I remember it, okay, if you look at an equation, an equal sign, okay, you have an equal sign, this would be the left side of the equal sign, and this would be the right side of the equal sign. Okay, which we can all agree on. That's not math, that's just facts. Okay, that would be the left side and the right side. And the way that I remember it, so letters go on the left and numbers go on the right. Okay, and the reason I say letters go on the left is because then you'll have like x equals some number, y equals some number, and not to mention L and L. Okay, letters go on the left. Okay, so we go through here and say, is this a letter or a number? Well, it's a number, so we need to move it. Okay, and as always, we do addition and subtraction first. So what's the opposite of minus? What's his best friend? Plus. Okay, and if we do it to one side, we got to do it to the other side. So plus 16. Okay, we're going to drop everything down. All I have left over here is a, which letters go on the left. Okay, so I got an a left. And I got negative 22 plus 16. It's going to give you negative 6. Okay, and that's what it should look like. On every single one of these, it should be a single letter and then a number. Letters go on the left, numbers go on the right. Okay, let's look at number 3. Free says 20 plus x equals 28. Okay, letters go on the left. So are there anything on the left side that's a number and not a letter? The 20, okay? And what kind of 20 is that right now? Is it a plus 20 or is it a minus 20?
Plus.
It's a plus, so its buddy is going to be minus. Okay, because we do the opposite. If we do it to one side, we have to do it to the other side. So you got x equals 28 minus 20 is just going to be 8. Okay, m minus 17 equals 36. So I need letters on the left. So I got a letter, well this is a number, so it needs to be moved. So minus 17, I need to do the opposite. Okay, so it's going to be plus 17. If I do it to one side, I got to do it to the other side. You guys doing okay? I got b plus negative 11 equals negative 12. Okay, start at the beginning. Letter, good. Okay, letters go on the left. So I got a letter, then I got a number. Okay, how do I move a minus 11? Yeah, you gotta add it. Okay, now, the notation on here is kind of tricky. So, a negative is always going to trump a positive. So they just tried to trick you on here, or, well, I did, I guess. But, so, you don't really need this minus, this plus or these parentheses. So, it really could be rewritten as b minus 11 equals negative 12. Which then becomes a little bit more obvious for some of you guys. So, minus, we got to do the opposite. So, plus If we do it to one side, we gotta do it to the other side. So I'm left with V equals -1. Okay, use a calculator. Some of your guys' negative game sucks. Don't think, oh, it's not me she's talking about. Yeah, I am. I'm talking to you. Okay? Where are we at? Number 9. Okay, so the very first part, so 1 through 8 is going to be all addition and subtraction. Okay, 1 through 8 is all addition and subtraction. The rest of them are going to be multiplication and division. Okay, I separated them on purpose so that way you get good at the stuff. Okay, I'm going to go ahead.